Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best planter that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Classic Whiskey Barrel. The Classic Home and Garden Whiskey Barrel is a good value if your style is not super specific or you have an outdoor space that you need to fill with many lightweight planters. It has ample drainage, thick enough plastic at the base for good stability, and a slightly wider top to make for easier planting. There is also plenty of space for root system development. While this option meets many basic needs, it leaves something to be desired in the aesthetics department. For the whiskey barrel aesthetic, you get what you pay for. From afar, it may not stand out, but up close, the printed plastic is obvious, and the material is pretty flimsy. The Classic Home and Garden Whiskey Barrel is also only suited for specific rustic designs or a very casual outdoor space, in your opinion. Overall, however, this option can check a few boxes if you need many plants potted in your outdoor space and have a smaller budget. Moving on at number 4, we have DSA32 3.2-inch Ceramic. If your style includes a little more pattern and flair, the DSA32 3.2 Ceramic planter set is a good option for your succulent planting. There are several pattern options, and the black printed pattern makes a statement in your space. The cylindrical design is easy to plant, and the pots include a top that doubles as a drainage tray. The set is stable and fits well on a windowsill or countertop. With its patterns and small size, this set is not the most versatile of the bunch. Additionally, there were a few imperfections in the print noticeable upon closer inspection of the model they received. While they pinned this as another option for your succulent planting, with its patterns, drainage, and shape, the DSA32 would be a good fun option for many types of small plantings that you might have in mind. At number 3, we have Umbra Trig Desktop. The Umbra Trig desktop pair is another good option for a sleek mid-century modern tabletop look. The pyramid-shaped pots are a unique shape, and the gold-colored stand against the black ceramic strikes you as of solid quality. The Umbra requires no setup other than placing the upside-down pyramids into their stands. The streamlined look makes this a stylish and versatile option for small tabletop plantings. Being tall, this pair provides significant decor without taking up much table or shelf space. Where this set scored points for its unique pyramid design, it also lost a few in its stability and functionality. The narrow metal base was easy to knock over, so it's not the best choice for a home with curious pets or children. The pyramid shape also does not leave a lot of room for root systems to expand and grow, making it better suited for slow-growing plants. The Umbra Trig Desktop is a good option for those looking for a unique and stylish plant accent. At number 2, we have Fox and Fern 10 inches pot. Sometimes, simple is best, and the Fox and Fern plant pot nails this avenue. While basic, the white cylindrical design has the high quality and classy look of ceramic or stoneware but weighs much less. This pot also has a durable drainage plug. The cylindrical shape creates volume for root development, and the wide base creates an extremely stable platform able to accommodate tall, top-heavy plants. While the design will match almost any decor, it also does not stand out among your options for its uniqueness or particularly beautiful design. It's clean, but it's not unique. This is the kind of pot that lets the inhabiting plant do the talking. Additionally, if you are going to use this with the drainage option, you will need to move the plant to water it or provide your own drainage tray, an extra step that would be alleviated with the inclusion of a drainage tray. And finally at number 1. Divine Dev Ceramic. The Divine Dev Ceramic is a timeless planter with a classic two-tone ceramic design that's available in several earth tone color options. The ceramic material and glaze feel high quality, a sense that is only solidified by this planter's great features. It comes with drainage rocks to help prevent splashing during watering and assist in preventing soggy roots, while the included drainage tray and felt pad protects in-home surfaces. The Divine Dev is stable and easy to plant in, thanks to its cylindrical shape. There's not much to dislike about this well thought out planter. However, when paired with plants of a suitable size, there is little that merits concern. This model's ample drainage and furniture protecting features easily push the DSA32 Ceramic to the position of your favorite planter, as it also has a great style that showcases the beautiful plant living in it. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.